Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Date to Success Made in India. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. These type of questions will also helpful you for all competitive exams, all state exams, ICSE, CBSE like. So today I wanted to go to directly question. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 has the center at 2 comma 3. From this circle you can find center. That center is 2 comma 3. You can equate them. Then you can find a comma b value. Also find the radius of the circle. So aims DTS super shortcut tips tricks solution. First of all, I wanted to write given circle is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0. This is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the standard equation of the circle. Comparing with the standard equation of the circle, x square is equal to x square, y square is equal to y square, and x coefficient 2g is equal to a. This 2 coming into right side, we will get g is equal to a by 2. Next, y coefficient is 2f, another y coefficient is b. These two coming into right side, we get f is equal to b by 2, and a constant term is c, and another constant term is minus 12. After getting g value, f value and c value, we are having the center. So center means from that given question, minus g comma minus f, this is the formula. So minus g value is a by 2 comma minus f value is minus b by 2. So according to this question, we are having center is given, center is equal to 2 comma 3. You can equate these two values. Why? Because it is also center. Given value 2 comma 3 is also center. So both are equal. Equating both values, we get minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2 is equal to 2 comma 3. Equating individual values, we get minus a by 2 is equal to 2. Cross multiplication, we get minus a is equal to 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Minus coming into this side, therefore a is equal to minus 4. We have get a is equal to minus 4. Next, equating another value, we get minus b by 2 is equal to 3. Cross multiply, we get minus b equal to 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus coming into this side, therefore b is equal to minus 6. This is the b value. After finding a and b, we have to find a radius. Radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Under root of g value is a by 2, a value minus 4 by 2 whole square, plus b by 2, f value b by 2, f square, b value minus 6 by 2 whole square, then minus c value minus of minus plus 12. So cancellation, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. We get r is equal to under root of minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square plus 12. Next, r is equal to under root of minus whole square is plus 2 2s are 4 plus minus whole square is plus 3 3s are 9 plus 12. Root 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. Root 25 is 5. So therefore radius r is equal to 5, a value minus 4, b value minus 6 according to our given question. Same concept I wanted to discuss with you one more question. The question is, if the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0 has the center 2, 3, then find g, f values. Also find the radius of the circle. Aims date to success. Super shortcut tips tricks solution. Now I wanted to write given circle. Circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing with standard equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is standard equation of the circle. X square is equal to x square, y square is equal to y square, 2g is equal to 2g, then g is equal to g, 2f is equal to 2f, then f is equal to f. Constant value c and another constant value is minus 12. Next, what are you going to find? Center is 2, 3. So you can find a center. C is equal to minus g, minus f. So g is g, f is f. So directly you are getting minus g, minus f is the given center. Okay. Next, given value from the question, center is 2, 3. So these two are equal. Center minus g, minus f is equal to 2, 3. You can equate both values. First, minus g is equal to 2. Minus coming into this side, therefore g value is minus 2. And next one, minus f value. Equating these two values, minus f is equal to 3. Minus coming into this side, f is equal to minus 3. We got f value and g value. Next, what are you going to find? Radius. So you can write radius. R is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R is equal to under root of g value minus 2, g square value minus 2 whole square plus f value minus 3, f square value minus 3 whole square minus c value is minus 12, minus c value minus of minus plus 12. Next, r is equal to under root of minus whole square is plus 2 2s are 4, minus whole square is plus 3 3s are 9, so plus 9 plus 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. Under root 25. Under root 25 value 5. Therefore, radius r is equal to 5. And g value is minus 2. F value is minus 3. For the given question, this is the answer. Next, similar question, same model. The given question is, if the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0 has a center at minus 4, minus 3, then find g, f values and also find the radius of the circle. Aims date to success. Super shortcut tips tricks solution. Now I wanted to write given circle. Given circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus no constant. So I wanted to write plus 0 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. X square is equal to x square, y square is equal to y square, 2g is equal to 2g, then g is equal to g, 2f is equal to 2f, then f is equal to f. Next, constant is equal to c is equal to 0. Next, what are you going to see? Center. Given center from the problem is minus 4 comma minus 3. According to that circle, what is the center formula? Center C is equal to minus G comma minus F. So you can equate both values. Minus G comma minus F value is minus 4 comma minus 3. Now you can equate both values. Minus G is equal to minus 4, minus minus get cancelled, therefore G is equal to 4. And next you can equate these two values. Minus F is equal to minus 3, minus minus get cancelled, F is equal to 3. So we got G value and F value. Next we are going to find radius of the circle. Now I want to write formula of radius. R is equal to under root of G square plus F square minus C. So R is equal to under root of G value 4, G square value 4 square plus F value 3, F square value 3 square minus C value. What is C value? 0. So here R is equal to under root of 4 square, 4 into 4 16 plus 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Under root of 25 value is 5. Therefore radius R is equal to 5. G is equal to 4, F is equal to 3 according to the given question. Hi my dear students and friends, if you wanted to if you like this type of questions, you can check playlist. More and more questions are there in the description box in my channel, and you can check so many super shortcut tips, tricks, solutions are there in playlist in my channel. You can check and you have to practice, so you will get more and more questions, more and more previous question papers also there, subject wise, chapter wise. I wish you all the very best, my dear students and friends. Thank you very much. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. ఇఫ్ యూ సాటిస్ఫై విత్ మై ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్, సపోర్ట్ విత్ అస్, షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, లైక్, కమెంట్ టు దిస్ వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.